Hi everyone, I'm Esther from Essy Cooks, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a delicious copycat Olive Garden gnocchi soup. This is so creamy and so delicious, and it tastes just like Olive Garden without any dairy. This is going to be 100% vegan. So let's get started. I'm going to show you how to make this. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is grab 1 cup of cashews, which is what we're going to make our cashew cream with. I'm going to add those to a bowl and just cover them with boiling water. So I just boiled my water in a kettle, and I'm just going to allow those to soak for at least 10 minutes. If you have 20 minutes to let them soak, great, that's even better. But if you don't worry about it. We're going to start by preheating either a Dutch oven or a large pot on medium heat. And I've diced up already my veggies, so we're going to sneak a bunch of veggies into this soup, and they are so delicious in here. So I have 2 large carrots grated. I left the peels on and just washed them really well because it's extra fiber, but you can peel them if you want. And I had 2 whole ribs of celery that I finely diced, and 1 yellow onion that I finely diced as well, and about 5 cloves of garlic. Mine were a bit small, so I used 6. So I've got this preheated on medium heat, and I'm just going to add about 1 tablespoon or 2 of extra virgin olive oil. And then I'm going to add in my 1 diced onion, my 2 ribs of diced celery, and my 2 large grated carrots. I'm just going to cook these for about 4 to 5 minutes, or until we see the onions are translucent and the celery is getting a bit tender. Alright, now we are going to add in our 5 cloves of garlic. And we are going to add in 1.5 tablespoons of Italian spice blend. And a dash of turmeric, which is optional. It just adds a nice little bit of color to this. And I'm going to mix that all together and toast those spices for about 1 minute. Now I'm going to add in 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. So if you are making this gluten-free, you can just use all-purpose gluten-free flour. And I'm just going to stir in that flour and cook that down for about 2 minutes. Alright, now next I'm going to add in 2.5 cups of either chickenless broth or vegetable broth. And I'm just going to bring that to a boil. Now while that is coming to a boil, I am going to finish off by making my cashew cream. Now to make my delicious vegan cashew cream, it's going to have a really nice cheesy flavor. I'm going to first add in my soaked and drained cashews. And I'm going to add in 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast. 1 teaspoon of miso paste. This is going to add such a nice cheesy flavor to the dish. I would recommend, highly recommend not skipping this step. And then 2 cups of water. And we're just going to blend that up until it's smooth and creamy. Now we are going to add in our homemade cheesy cashew cream right into the soup. And now it's time to add in our gnocchi. So I have just 1 pack of gnocchi. It's 500 grams, so a standard size pack like this. You can use the big ones or the small ones, whatever you like. The small ones are really nice because you get a little bit with every bite, but the big ones are good too. So whatever you have is perfect. Alright, and the gnocchi don't take long to cook. They only take about 3 or 4 minutes, and you will know they're done when they come to the surface. So we're going to cook these for about 3 minutes, and then we're going to add in our spinach, allow those gnocchi to cook for 1 more minute, and then we are almost ready. Alright, now our last ingredient is just 2 big handfuls of spinach. I'm going to cook those down for about 1 minute until they wilt. Alright, and now that our spinach is cooked down, we're just going to finish with the juice of half a lemon. And salt and pepper to taste.
It smells so good. Get a little gnocchi piece. It's hot.
That's so
Wow.
delicious. Better than Olive Garden?
Way better. That's so creamy and cheesy.
This is one of my favorite soups. One of my favorite creamy soups.
This is a must-make recipe.
Oh, wow.
Best soup yet.
Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button below.